Oh, possessive. The energy of something here, I want this. I want this and I need to have it. Needy of something. Kailangan ko to. Kailangan ko to. Ganun yung energy. Okay? And that is why masyadong ipit yung heart, no? Nasisikip yung heart, no? So, ibig sabihin, parang nakikita ko rito na kailangan nga ba talaga niya ito? Bakit sobrang-sobrang kailangan niya ito? To the point na parang possible ito na makasira sa kanya, no? So, ganong klase ng energy. Or, pag nakuha niya ba ito, makakakuha ba rin ba siya ng kasiyahan? Ano? Parang ganon. Let us see what kind of story ang ating makukuha ngayon. Let's go. Mm-hmm. The producer plant, but it's in reverse position. Mm-hmm. Six of Roses, I mean the Five of Roses right here, and the Six of Roses, no? So definitely there's competition here. Mm-hmm. Bottom of the deck, we have the Paradise. Oh, okay. I think you're lucky. Okay. So kahit ganito yung situation na nakikita natin dito, na nakikita ko dito that you're still really very lucky right here, no? So, kung titingnan ko ito mga babes, no, bago natin ito pag-usapan pa more, gusto kong sabihin sa inyo that we have here the Queen of Mirrors and the Eight of Roses energy. So, someone right here, okay, wants to swap destiny with you. Gusto niya palit kayo rito, no, ng kapalaran. Ano siya? Hilo? Gusto niya palit kayo ng kapalaran dito? Ano? Ganun ba yun talaga? Pwede ba talaga yun? I'm gonna tell you more about this. But first, let me just make bate everybody. Hi and hello there everyone. Hi new subscribers. My name is Yan. Welcome po sa ating mga returning tambayers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang pagtambay. At yun nga, of course, no, meron pa po tayong other channel. Link is down below sa ating description box. So if interested, just click lamang yung link na yan, no, at dun sa ating other channel ay nag-upload din po tayo ng daily collective readings for all signs. At yun nga, nawala po tayo dito na gender. So, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat po welcome. Pwede rin pong i-switch at magkapalit-palit yung mga roles. Bakit? Kasi sa itong general reading and at the end of the day, everybody you have your free will with you. Like, free nyo pong gamitin yan anytime, anywhere. And yun nga, no, meron kayong free will, no, na malaya ninyong gamitin. Ibig sabihin, it's up to you kung gusto niyo i-claim yung mga messages or not. No? It's up to you kung gusto niyo rin gawing guidance yung mga messages pag resonate kayo or not. So, from the looks of this, I'm seeing that there's someone here, no, na medyo nagsistruggle siya. Gusto niya ng new beginning and we have here the contestant. Okay? Usually, the fool, no, is isa lang yung zero. But definitely we have here double zeros. So this person right here is trying so hard, no? I tried so hard, no? Kasi naman tong energy na to na parang this person right here tried so hard, no, na gumanda yung buhay niya, maging maayos yung kanya ritong sitwasyon sa kaperahan, yung marami siyang money dito, no? Yung nag-uulan yung pera sa kanya, yung abundance, nagsasayaw siya, no? Yun yung gusto niya, no? But it looks like this person right here keeps on trying, and not just trying, no? Sobrang it's hard for him or her, no? It's really difficult, no, to get that abundance, that prosperity. no, na dumating sa kanyang life, no. Yung iba naman, they're just pretending to be, no, na mayaman sila or they're really blessed when it comes to financial talaga, no, sa kanilang life, no. But those are just dramas. Those are just show-offs, no? Nagso-show off lang sila rito, no? They're not really rich, you know? They're not really in that abundant state of life, no? There's something here imbalance in their life. There are a lot of insecurities, five of rings energy, and the producer plant in reverse position is something here like a bomb. So this person here is someone, no, that in his or her fantasies, no, gusto niya ritong magkapalit kayo ng kapalaran or ng destiny. Yan, no? So, kung sino man tong energy na to, no, this one, someone here, no, na meron ditong competition sa inyong mga worlds. But it looks like you're not competing with this person, but this person here is on challenge, wants to get that trophy from you, no? Ibig sabihin, malinaw na nakikita niyo po kayo dito that you are winner. Ibig sabihin, mga babes, no? Alam mo, hindi niya nare-realize, no, na lumalabas dahil nakikita kanyang winner, so ang tingin niya sa sarili niya, loser. Palit kayo ng destiny. Hindi pwedeng ang kay Pedro ay maging kay Juan lang, no, dahil lang gusto niya ito. No? At hindi rin pwedeng maging kay Juan ang kay Pedro dahil lamang gusto niya ito. No? At hindi lang kayo basta rito pwedeng palit ng destiny dahil una sa lahat, hindi siya si universe. Pero bakit nga ba niya gustong makipagpalit ng buhay at kapalaran sa'yo? Simple lang. You hold this big trophy right here, no? Just like the trophy sa Olympics, no? So it looks like you are the one, no, who got that gold medal, who got that gold triumph, no? So kung sino man itong mga energies na to, this person sees you as someone successful right now. It looks like you're happy. So meaning to say, this is you. Naiisip niya dito just because you're happy, just because you're smiling, no? Parang nasa iyo ng lahat, no? Parang it's easy for you, no, to get all of the things that you want, no? Pag may ginusto ka, parang madali mo lang, like effortlessly mo lang nakukuha, no? Kasi nakikita niya dito that you're happy, you're, you know, nararamdaman niya dito that whenever you speak with other people, no, sobrang natural lang, sobrang komportable mo lang, no? So it looks like you look satisfied and contented with what you have right now. So in his or her thinking, nine of floats energy, okay, nakikita ko rito na masaya si collective. Siguro dahil marami siyang pera. Siguro dahil maganda yung kanyang posisyon sa trabaho niya. Siguro dahil wala siyang problema. Yan, no? So, mga ganun yung energy niya rito, no? So, siguro nabubuhay siya ngayon ng maayos at maganda. Siguro ito yung tao na to, si collective, you know? It is because, eh, nakikita kanyang masaya ka. That is why this person right here thinks na ang nagpapasaya sa'yo, no, ay ang mga bagay na hinahangad niya, no? Yung natural na nakakapagbigay daw ng kaligayahan sa isang tao. Ano yun? Pera, fame, or sabihin nating success sa posisyon sa trabaho, baka promotion, no? Ano pa, no? Material na bagay, 'di ba? Luxurious things, branded things, yan, no? So, nakita ko dito, no, na yun yung kanya ritong thinking ng or batayan ng pagiging successful sa buhay. Kasi yun yung mga bagay na gusto niyang makuha at makamit, no? But with the double zeros right here, this one, someone here, that with the contestant, this person right here, no, is someone na nandun sa mode, no, na parang kailangan paghirapan ko 'tong bagay na 'to para magkaroon din ako nito. Kailangan kunin ko 'to para magkaroon din ako nito. Kailangan agawin ko kay collective itong tagumpay na ito, 'no. So, parang lahat tinitingnan niya rito na kompetisyon with you guys, no. Even though you're not competing, this person right here is definitely competing sa inyo at nagpapatuloy ito because we have here the 5 to 6 of roses energy. So, nakita ko dito na meron din namang mga parang mga nag-a-advice sa kanya 'no, mga friends niya rito na talagang concerned sa kanya rito na parang, "Friend, alam mo dapat 'wag ka lang work ng work, kailangan mag-enjoy ka rin, 'yan, hindi porket malaki yung sahod diyan, kailangan pumasok ka na diyan." Eh, sabi mo nga 'di ba, toxic yung mga kasama mo diyan, so hindi puwedeng pera-pera lang, you also need to live, 'yan 'no. So, maaaring nakakuha rin talaga siya rito ng mga magaganda rito 'no, ng mga advices, pero yun nga 'no, mas matindi pa rin talaga sa kanya rito 'no, ang paghahangad, 'yan 'no. Eh, bakit gano'n? Bakit si collective? Sa mundo niya parang mukhang satisfied siya. Sa mundo niya parang napakadali lang ng pagpasok ng pera. Sa mundo niya parang lahat puwede niyang mabili. Sa mundo niya parang lahat nakangiti sa kanya, parang lahat gusto siyang kaibiganin, parang lahat gusto siyang ligawan, parang lahat, lahat na lang. 'Yan 'no. Puwede siya sigurong mag-drama. Ba't di niya i-try mag-ano, mag-audition sa Sparkle? Ayan na, hindi pa ako endorsers mga babes na kahit na ano ritong, okey, acting agencies or whatever. Pero this person right here, naku napaka-drama ng kanyang buhay dito 'no. Kasi this person right here sees you as this, 'yan oh. Nakikita ka niya na parang you are always on cloud nine, this is you, wala kang problem. So you know what? Okay? It is because with the birds right here, okay? This is you. You take life easy. Okay? This is you. Nakikinig ka kasi sa iyong intuition, no? When someone kasi is nakikinig sa intuition, ibig sabihin, nakikinig kayo sa mga angels and guides ninyo. Pag alam ninyo makakabuti sa inyo yung bagay, you go for it. Kapag alam ninyo na makakabuti sa inyo ang isang opportunity, you go for it, no? You go grab it, 'di ba? So this is you. You take life easy, hindi yung pinapasin mo rito yung mundo 'no, kaya rito mga babes 'no, napakakalmado lang ng iyong energy. It is because you listen 'no, sa alignment ng iyong heart, mind, and soul, and that is your intuition. That's why hindi ka nagsa-struggle at kung may problema man mabilis mo rin lang nalalampasan 'no. So this person thinks that you already own the whole world. Just because you look happy, just because you look satisfied, just because you look, okay, contented. Akala niya meron ka na ng lahat. Akala niya lahat ng mga bagay na 'to, love, career, akala niya lahat 'no, mayaman ka na, 'di ba? So, this person, hindi niya nare-realize rito 'no, that it's not always na porke masaya, porke ngumingiti, porke tumatawa, eh, nasa mundo niya kasi lahat. Okay? Pero you are already owning your own world kaya hindi rin mali iyon. Because in your energy, if you continue to listen with your angels and guides, mapapabuti ka talaga. Like you will literally be on the cloud nine, no? So I'm saying that you're really happy, you're chilling. Paradise means happiness. So nakikita ko rito that you're just relaxed, no? If life throws you lemons, then you will make lemonade. Ibig sabihin 'no, this is you accept that life isn't perfect. So this is you, you're just going to ride on it 'no, and if there is problem, of course there's solution. So dun ka magfo-focus sa solution. So I'm seeing you right here that this is you, you're not seeing life as complicated 'no. Hindi kagaya before, okay? Actually pinakita rin dito sa akin na ganyan kayo mag-isip before 'no. You take every problem so seriously 'no. That's why before you look so stressed, you look older than your age 'no, and you have wrinkles na agad 'no, and then pimples, tumubo na 'no, sa iyong face or sa iyong body right here 'no. It is because you're too problematic way back before. But now your energy shift, transformed, and this is you, okay? You're letting life here 'no, na tuloy-tuloy lang. Okay? So this is you. You are happy right now, contented, at unti-unti ka rito no, na merong hope and faith na lahat ng mga bagay na iniisip nitong kakumpetensya mo no, is really coming your way. Okay? So parang one goal at a time, one step at a time, yan, no? And also, don't be afraid, no? Which is hindi ko naman nakikitang takot kayo rito, no? Bukod dito, no, sa someone na naiinggit sa inyo, no, there's also someone here protecting you guys, no? So you have a lover, you have someone here right beside you. Yung iba, eto na yung boyfriend and girlfriend ninyo, yung asawa ninyo dito. Pero yung iba, nagtatago pa sa katauhan rito ng friend daw. So, ngayon, posibleng friends pa lang kayo ng tao na yan. Pero this person right here is definitely someone who wants to protect you from anything and from any, yan no, energy, no, na posibleng gumawa rito sa inyo ng hindi magandang bagay. So, I'm seeing someone here, okay, holds this promise to protect you no matter what. See and see into your energies, your energy, this person's energy, no, na jealous of you, and also this other person right here, no, na nakikita ko na poprotekta sa'yo. Okay? Because this person right here, ang kasiyahan niya lang, no, is love niya to see your smile. Okay? That's all. Okay? Para mapagpatuloy niya rito rin yung mga parang pagkamit niya sa kanya ritong mga goals din in life, no? Parang, when I see you smile, you know, I can face the world. Yan. Parang lasing lang. So, yun nga, na someone here wants to see you smile at kaya niya rin dito na gawin ang kanyang mga goals in life, no? Basta, andyan ka lang. No? Don't mind this other jealous energy right here, no? Pero you know, it looks bitter right here kasi, yeah, like in Tagalog, nakakaawa yung energy niya, no? Kasi he want or she wants new beginning, no? But however, he takes everything so seriously, like, you know, Sharon Cuneta, pasan mo ang mundo. Kind of thing, no? So, nakalimutan niya lang mag-enjoy, no? Life, yeah, life isn't perfect, no? Pero you can make life din talaga happy and wonderful. So, it's up talaga sa tao, no? No need to swap destinies. No need na magpalit ng kapalaran, no? Your kapalaran is not her or his kapalaran, no? And his or her kapalaran is definitely like, no. Hindi mo rin kapalaran right here. We have each other's life's journey, so okay, it's really up to us, no? How can we make our life wonderful and amazing? Okay, we only live once, sweetheart. So yeah, okay, thank you so much again, Miriana, on Sarang Hiyalap in Light. I